fellow food enthusiasts. Today I'm super excited to share some simple yet utterly delicious vegan recipes that will transform your kitchen into a plant-based paradise. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just curious about plant-based eating, these dishes are sure to impress. First up, let's dive into a classic, the creamy vegan mushroom risotto. Now I know what you're thinking. Creamy without cream? Absolutely! The secret here is to use arborio rice, which releases starch as it cooks, giving us that rich, velvety texture. Just saute some onions and garlic, toss in the mushrooms, stir in the rice, and gradually add vegetable broth. Trust me, the result is a comforting bowl of goodness that'll make you forget all about dairy. Next, we're spicing things up with a vibrant tofu stir-fry. This is a personal favorite because it's just so versatile. Grab some firm tofu, a rainbow of bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. The magic happens with the sauce, a mix of soy sauce, maple syrup, garlic, and a splash of orange juice. It's a sweet, tangy explosion of flavors that brings this dish to life. And for something a bit more refreshing, let's not forget about our zesty quinoa salad. Quinoa is a fantastic source of protein, and it's gluten-free, making it a powerhouse ingredient for vegans. Combine it with chopped cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, avocado, and a lemony dressing. It's the perfect dish for a quick lunch or a side at your next dinner party. I hope these recipes inspire you to explore the rich flavors and health benefits of vegan cooking. Remember, vegan food doesn't have to be complicated. With a few simple ingredients and a bit of creativity, you can whip up dishes that are not only nutritious, but also mouth-wateringly good. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty adventures. See you next time!